Time is now 9:23, and welcome back to Go. It's time for our Pet of the Week segment, and okay, this is fitting for the day after or the morning after daylight saving time. We have Ilona Urban from Happy Trails Farm Animal Sanctuary in Ravenna, and she's brought Remy in, who is a rooster that was so talkative when Remy came into the studio.
He was making a lot of noise back in the green room. Yes, he was.
He was waking people up. He said, hey, get up and let's go. So tell me a little bit about Remy.
Fix those clocks. Well, Remy was probably most likely slated to be a fighting rooster. And due to an unusual set of circumstances, he was rescued. And so he has never probably ventured into that horrible life. And he has known nothing but kindness and love since he's been at Happy Trails. He would love to have a group of ladies to watch over and a yard to roam around in. So if anyone is looking for a really nice rooster, I mean, this guy is it. He's just as sweet as can be.
So we usually have dogs and cats on the show. So some people may be like, if you're not used to farm type animals, it's like, well, what do I need to know if I want to bring a rooster home?
Well, most people will probably already have some hens.
Okay.
Very few people just get a lone rooster. And they're probably already equipped with a coop and conditions, so they want to make it predator proof from owls, fox, hawks, this kind of thing. Right now with avian flu going around, you want to keep your birds separate from other wild birds. So people need to take care with that. When our birds come in, we quarantine. We tell people to quarantine when they take them home. Right now, we're all using proper PPE with the birds, but the virus doesn't do well in hot weather. So come warm weather, these guys will be back out in the yard again, pecking around.
So if someone's interested, how much would Remy cost in adoption
probably
fees?
about $2-3 million. No.
I'm trying to get them adopted friends, but $2-3 million. Oh my goodness.
Hey, we're a nonprofit. We need money.
I get it.
No, probably about $10 to $20 for a bird, for a rooster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
well, that's pretty good.
Now, naturally, we're going to make sure he goes to a wonderful home.
Yes, yes.
And we will vet people, but we have an adoption coordinator, Audra, and whether you want a horse, a rooster, a turkey, whatever it is, you would get in touch with the sanctuary, and they'd put you in touch with her, and she'd take you through the steps. And if you're first time with any kind of animal, we will educate and help you and always be there as a resource for you.
Really quickly, we have about a few seconds left. How can people get in contact with you all?
HappyTrailsFarm.org. We're at 5623 New Milford Road in Ravenna. And if you just go to our website and, you know, you can click on volunteer links, adoption, whatever it is you're looking for.
Well, thank you so much for being here. And Remy, thank you. You were a quiet boy. You were making so much noise before the show.
He's a good boy.
So Kaitor, there he goes. There he goes. Kaitor, he had to get his say in before we left the segment this morning.
Yeah, I was expecting him to take over the interview, how loud he was being before.